Meaning of discontinuous.
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 Discontinuous. Discontinuous refers to something that is not continuous or regular in its pattern or behavior. It can also mean having breaks or gaps in a sequence or process. For example, a discontinuous function has intervals where it is undefined or has a different value from the rest of the function. Discontinuous behavior may appear irregular or unpredictable. In manufacturing, discontinuous production involves the creation of products in batches, rather than continuous, uninterrupted production. Overall, discontinuity implies an interruption or deviation from a consistent and predictable pattern.